Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Okay guys, I'll be introducing to you an artist in the Nigerian music industry renamed Misan Godfrey Okotie, popularly known as iQ.OvAlOaD. He is a rapper who hails from Warri Delta State and was born in November 11, 1992. iQ.OvAlOaD attended primary school, Holy Cross Primary School, and Luminary Secondary School. Graduated from Novena University, all in Delta State, Nigeria.
Heads in a touch, turn the gold like Houdini. So I grant out 3 wishes like a genie. You always at the bottom, nigga, I be you beginning. Boy, I'm so high with the capital Ladini. Left that roach, boy, I be just Godini. Been in that Sprite, what you think a nigga sipping?
His sound is unique and outstanding among other regular rap artists. His composition, rhyme, melody, and lyrics are very catchy. He made a debut entry into the Nigerian music scene in 2019 with his mixtape album Boy From After Earth, which is still trending on all music platforms. He just dropped a visual of the 2019 Project Biznex. He is currently working on his official EP at the moment, which is set to drop sometime this year. According to the rapper, in his words, he said, "I'm never relenting on giving my fans that thing they have been missing." He's ready to go head to head with any MC in the game. Enjoy good music.
You know, it's my boy team, yeah. Sick, who's got a business, boy? Who's got a business? We, yeah.
Okay guys, follow iQ.OvAlOaD on Instagram through his official handle SouthBoyGram and stay updated. As earlier stated, he has latest projects set to drop soon, and Naija News and Entertainment will surely keep you informed. Stay tuned for more from your favorite artists.
Yeah, music in my mind, running on me like it's Novocaine. Music in my vein. Gotta spit it, gotta say it, boy, I'm never gonna take a break. So tell them niggas fuck a break. I lay it down like a plumber does to a pipe. Pipe it down, boy, I pipe it low. I'm always running for the money though. It's 7:30 in the morning, niggas up and running game to the money though. It's 7 days in a week, I gotta go and get it neat. I'm always down for the break, young nigga put a lot of work to eat.